7 herbs to heal and protect your vision naturally. Are you tired of straining your eyes in today's digital world? Have you ever wondered if there's a natural solution to keep your vision sharp and clear? Well, get ready to be amazed because today, we're diving into the world of herbal remedies for your eyes. Did you know that approximately 1 out of every 6 adults worldwide experiences some form of vision impairment? We live in a time when our eyes are constantly challenged by glare from screens and pollution from the environment. But amidst these modern hurdles, nature offers a surprising arsenal of herbs that hold the potential to protect and revitalize our vision. In this video, we'll explore how these powerful herbs can combat the effects of screen time, pollution, and aging on your precious eyes. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. If you have concerns about your health, always consult with your doctor. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Bilberry. Bilberry, a close relative of the blueberry, has long been revered for its vision-enhancing properties. Native to Europe, this small, dark berry packs a powerful punch when it comes to supporting eye health. How bilberry enhances vision. The secret behind bilberry's vision-boosting abilities lies in its rich concentration of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative damage. By neutralizing free radicals, bilberry helps preserve vision and may even improve night vision. Scientific evidence supporting bilberry. Numerous studies have highlighted the efficacy of bilberry in promoting eye health. Research suggests that bilberry supplementation may improve visual acuity, reduce eye fatigue, and alleviate symptoms of conditions such as glaucoma and cataracts. Bilberry can be consumed in various forms, including fresh berries, dried berries, extracts, or supplements. You can enjoy bilberry as part of your daily diet by adding fresh berries to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Alternatively, bilberry supplements are available in capsule or tablet form, typically taken according to the manufacturer's instructions. Number 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, derived from the leaves of the ginkgo tree, is a time-honored remedy in traditional medicine. Prized for its ability to improve circulation and cognitive function. Ginkgo biloba's role in eye health. In addition to its cognitive benefits, Ginkgo biloba is also renowned for its positive effects on eye health. By enhancing blood flow to the eyes, Ginkgo biloba may help alleviate symptoms of conditions like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Studies on Ginkgo biloba's effectiveness. Numerous clinical studies have demonstrated the potential of Ginkgo biloba to support vision health. Research suggests that Ginkgo biloba may improve visual field damage, enhance contrast sensitivity, and protect against age-related eye diseases. Ginkgo biloba supplements are commonly available in capsule or tablet form. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label, typically taken once or twice daily with meals. Alternatively, you can brew Ginkgo biloba tea using dried ginkgo leaves. Steep the leaves in hot water for several minutes before straining and drinking. Number 3. Eyebright. Eyebright, a delicate flowering plant native to Europe, has a long history of use in herbal medicine. Named for its purported ability to brighten and strengthen the eyes, Eyebright is prized for its soothing properties. Eyebright's benefits for vision. Eyebright contains compounds known as iridoid glycosides, which possess anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. These compounds help reduce eye irritation, soothe inflammation, and relieve symptoms of conditions like conjunctivitis, conjunctivitis, and dry eyes. Traditional uses and modern research. Throughout history, Eyebright has been used to treat various eye ailments, earning it a reputation as nature's eye drop. While scientific research on Eyebright is limited, anecdotal evidence and traditional use suggest that this herb may offer significant benefits for vision health. Eyebright is often prepared as an herbal tea or eye wash. To make Eyebright tea, steep dried Eyebright herb in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and drink. For an eye wash, dilute Eyebright tea with water and use a clean cloth or cotton ball to gently apply to closed eyes. Number 4. Saffron. Saffron, known as the golden spice, is derived from the dried stigma of the Crocus sativus flower. Prized for its distinct flavor, vibrant color, and numerous health benefits. Saffron's impact on vision. In addition to its culinary uses, saffron has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly for eye health. Saffron contains compounds such as crocin and quercetin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit the eyes. Clinical trials and findings. Several clinical trials have investigated the effects of saffron supplementation on vision health. Research suggests that saffron may improve visual acuity, protect against age-related macular degeneration, and alleviate symptoms of conditions like retinitis pigmentosa. Saffron can be incorporated into your cooking to add flavor and color to dishes. You can use saffron threads to infuse flavor into rice, soups, stews, or desserts. Additionally, saffron supplements are available in capsule or tablet form, typically taken according to the manufacturer's instructions. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden-hued spice native to South Asia, is revered for its culinary and medicinal properties. Curcumin, turmeric's primary active compound, has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that may benefit eye health. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound. Curcumin has been studied extensively for its potential to protect against various eye diseases. Research suggests that curcumin may help prevent cataracts, reduce inflammation in the eyes, and inhibit the growth of abnormal blood vessels associated with conditions like diabetic retinopathy. Studies highlighting turmeric's benefits. While more research is needed, preliminary studies indicate that turmeric may offer promising benefits for vision health. Incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking curcumin supplements may help support overall eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. Turmeric can be used in cooking as a spice or taken as a supplement. Add turmeric powder to curries, soups, stir-fries, or smoothies to enjoy its health benefits. Turmeric supplements are also available in capsule or tablet form, typically taken with meals. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger, prized for its zesty flavor and medicinal properties, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. This aromatic root contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. How ginger supports vision. While ginger is not typically associated with vision health, its anti-inflammatory properties may indirectly benefit the eyes. By reducing inflammation throughout the body, ginger may help protect against conditions that can affect eye health, such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Incorporating ginger into your diet. Adding ginger to your diet is easy and delicious. Whether grated into stir-fries, brewed into tea, or incorporated into smoothies, ginger adds a flavorful kick while offering potential benefits for overall health, including vision. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, or in powdered form. Incorporate fresh ginger into your cooking by grating or slicing it into dishes like stir-fries, soups, or marinades. You can also brew ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water for several minutes. Number 7. Fennel. Fennel, a crunchy and aromatic herb, is prized for its distinct flavor and culinary versatility. Beyond its culinary uses, fennel has a long history of use in traditional medicine for various health conditions, including eye ailments. Fennel's benefits for vision. Fennel contains compounds like antioxidants and flavonoids, which may offer protective benefits for the eyes. Additionally, fennel is rich in vitamins A and C, essential nutrients that support vision health and protect against age-related eye diseases. Practical ways to include fennel. Incorporating fennel into your diet is simple and delicious. Whether sliced raw in salads, roasted with vegetables, or brewed into tea, fennel adds a unique flavor and nutritional boost to any dish. Fennel can be enjoyed raw or cooked. Add sliced fennel bulbs to salads, coleslaw, or sandwiches for a crunchy texture and mild, licorice-like flavor. You can also roast fennel bulbs with olive oil and spices for a savory side dish. Additionally, fennel seeds can be brewed into tea by steeping them in hot water for a soothing beverage. Now let's address some common questions. Question 1. Are these herbs safe for everyone? While herbs are generally safe for most people, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using them, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Question 2. How long does it take to see results from herbal remedies? The time frame for experiencing benefits from herbal remedies can vary depending on individual factors such as dosage, frequency of use, and the severity of the condition. In general, it may take several weeks to notice significant improvements in vision health. Question 3. Can I use these herbs alongside my current medication? It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before using herbs alongside medications, as certain herbs may interact with prescription drugs and affect their effectiveness. Question 4. Are there any side effects associated with these herbs? While herbs are generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience side effects such as digestive upset or allergic reactions. It's essential to start with small doses and monitor for any adverse reactions. Question 5. Can I grow these herbs at home? Many of these herbs can be grown at home with proper care and attention. Whether in a garden or pots on a windowsill, cultivating your own herbs allows you to enjoy fresh and organic ingredients while supporting your vision health. In conclusion, safeguarding and restoring your vision is possible with the help of nature's bounty. By incorporating these 7 herbs into your daily routine, you can support optimal eye health and enjoy clear vision for years to come. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new herbs or supplements to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay healthy, stay informed. See you in the next video.